Why do 78% of athletes swear by these muscle recovery tips? Because they work. Let's dive in. First up, hydration. Water is your best friend when it comes to muscle recovery. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and keeps your muscles happy. So drink up. Next, let's talk protein. Muscles need protein to repair and grow. Aim for lean sources like chicken, fish, or plant-based options. And don't forget that post-workout protein shake. Now, on to sleep. Yep, catching those Z's is crucial. Your body does most of its repair work while you're snoozing. Aim for 9 hours a night to maximize recovery. Stretching and foam rolling, absolutely essential. They help reduce muscle tightness and improve flexibility. Spend just 10-15 minutes after your workout to stretch it out. Your muscles will thank you. Don't forget about rest days. Your muscles need time to repair and grow. So schedule in those rest days to avoid burnout and injuries. Remember, rest is part of the process. Last but not least, consider a massage. Whether it's professional or a DIY session with a massage gun, this can help reduce muscle soreness and improve circulation. Treat yourself. You've earned it. There you have it. Follow these muscle recovery hacks and watch your gains skyrocket. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and keep crushing those fitness goals.